Have you ever stopped to think how different cultures shape our worlds? That's what we call culturalism. People from different backgrounds, traditions, and beliefs living and growing together.
Multicultural settings aren't just about the different languages or food. They're about connection, learning from one another, and seeing the world through a wider lens.
So personally, being around people from different cultures has helped me grow. I became more understandable, more curious, and honestly, more human.
Promoting multiculturalism is important because it breaks down walls. It helps reduce racism, encourages empathy, and builds stronger communities.
When we respect each other's culture, we create a world where everyone belongs. That kind of world we all want to live in, right?
Let's promote multiculturalism because when we embrace our differences, we all grow stronger.
One world, many voices, one future.